Have you ever wondered why doctors and scientists often warn against marriages between close relatives, like cousins? The answer lies deep within our DNA. We explore the science behind family marriages and genetic disorders, what causes them, what they look like, and how we can prevent them. Genetical disorders caused by mutations or changes in DNA, our body's instruction code. They affect genes, disrupt protein function, and can cause genetic disorders. Mutations may be random, inherited, or from the environment. Results? From no effect to serious health issues. Genetic disorders come in different forms depending on how the genes or chromosomes are affected. Single gene disorders, caused by a change in just one gene, like cystic fibrosis, lungs and digestive problems, or thalassemia, blood disorder. Chromosomal disorders involves missing or extra chromosomes, such as Down syndrome, affects intellectual and physical body development. Multifactorial disorders result from a mix of genetic and environmental factors, like heart disease or diabetes. Mitochondrial disorders, caused by mutations in mitochondrial DNA affecting energy production, affects overall body development. Why close relative marriages increase risk? When two close relatives marry, they may both carry the same defective gene inherited from a common ancestor. If a child inherits two copies of the defective gene, they are more likely to develop a recessive genetic disorder. Common genetic disorders seen in cousin marriages. Close relative marriages can lead to inherited disorders that affect a child's health for life. Some commonly seen disorders include thalassemia, a blood disorder; cystic fibrosis, affects lungs and digestion; congenital heart defects; intellectual disabilities; autism spectrum disorders; hearing or vision loss; metabolic conditions like PKU. Scientific evidence and studies around the world from Pakistan, the Middle East to India, show that children born from cousin marriages have a 2 to 3 times higher risk of serious genetic disorders. These findings are backed by WHO and other medical research bodies. Can it be prevented? Yes, there are ways to reduce these risks. 1. Genetic counseling. Families with a history of disorders should consult a doctor before marriage. 2. Carrier testing. Simple blood or saliva tests can detect harmful genes. 3. Awareness. Understanding the science leads to smarter choices. Measures during pregnancy. Prenatal DNA tests can detect genetic disorders early in pregnancy. Embryo screening helps select the healthiest start to life. Conclusion: genetic science gives us tools, not to judge or fear, but to understand and protect. By being aware, getting tested, and consulting doctors, we can make smarter choices for healthier generations. Let's spread knowledge, not stigma. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more.